In this video, I will share with you 27 Islamic quotes. 1. The best of you are those who are the best to their families. Sahih al-Bukhari. 2. The strong person is not the one who can wrestle someone else down. The strong person is the one who can control himself when he is angry. Sahih al-Bukhari. 3. And whoever fears Allah, He will make for him a way out, and will provide for him from where he does not expect. Quran, Surah At-Talaq, 65:2-3. 4. Kindness is a mark of faith, and whoever is not kind has no faith. Sahih Muslim. 5. The believers in their mutual kindness, compassion, and sympathy are just like one body. When any part of the body suffers, the whole body feels pain. Sahih al-Bukhari. 6. Allah does not look at your forms and possessions, but He looks at your hearts and your deeds. Sahih Muslim. 7. He who does not show mercy to our young ones and respect to our elders is not one of us. Sunan Abi Dawud. 8. The seeking of knowledge is obligatory for every Muslim. Ibn Majah. 9. Take account of yourselves before you are taken to account. Umar ibn al-Khattab, R.A. 10. The strongest among you is the one who controls his anger. Sahih al-Bukhari. 11. Indeed, with hardship comes ease. Quran, Surah Ash-Shar, 94:6. 12. Do not be people without minds of your own, saying that if others treat you well you will treat them well and that if they do wrong you will do wrong. But, instead, accustom yourselves to do good if people do good and not to do wrong if they do evil. Sunan at-Tirmidhi. 13. The best way to defeat someone is to beat him at politeness. Imam Ali, R.A. 14. The most complete gift of God is a life based on knowledge. Imam Ali, R.A. 15. The tongue is very small and light, but it can take you to the greatest heights and it can put you in the greatest depths. Ibn al-Qayyim. 16. Speak good or remain silent. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. 17. If you want to destroy any nation without war, make adultery or nudity common in the young generation. Salahuddin Ayyubi. 18. Your remedy is within you, but you do not sense it. Your sickness is from you, but you do not perceive it. Imam Ali, R.A. 19. Be in this world as if you were a stranger or a traveler. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. 20. The most beloved deed to Allah is the most regular and constant even if it were little. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. 21. When you see a person who has been given more than you in money and beauty, look to those who have been given less. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. 22. A true Muslim is grateful, patient, and God-fearing. Ali ibn Abi Talib, R.A. 23. Allah does not burden a soul beyond that it can bear. Quran, Surah al-Baqarah, 2:286. 24. No one has swallowed back anything more excellent than their own anger for Allah's sake. Imam Ali, R.A. 25. The most complete gift of God is a life based on knowledge. Imam Ali, R.A. 26. To forgive is the best revenge. Imam Ali, R.A. 27. O you who have believed, seek help through patience and prayer. Indeed, Allah is with the patient. Quran, Surah al-Baqarah, 2:153.